This bicycle will be ready to ride in 2 easy steps. Take the bicycle out of the box and place it in the open area. Support the bicycle with a stand or against the wall. Take out the tools and pedals and lay them out. Carefully remove all the protective covering and cardboard and start the assembly process. Rotate the handlebar and the front tire together from the left to the right to the opposite side. Stand in front of the bicycle and keep the front tire in between your legs. Straighten the handlebar with the brake levers facing you. Once the handlebar is straight, tighten the side screws on the stem clockwise. Take the pedal labelled R and attach it inside the right crank arm. Use the spanner to tighten the pedal screw clockwise to ensure it goes into the crank arm fully. Make sure the screw is tightened fully to ensure no free movement. Take the pedal labelled L and attach it inside the left crank arm. Use the spanner to tighten the pedal screw anti-clockwise to ensure it goes into the crank arm fully. Make sure the screw is tightened to ensure no free movement.